Alright, so let's go over another set of operators that we can use in Kotlin. These are going to be the comparison and equality operators. Or we can call them Boolean expressions because of the fact that when we use them, they either return true or false. So these operators are what we're going to use to compare or check if a value is equal to or not equal to another value. So to start this off, we're going to make a variable that's going to hold the age of Bobby. So let's, give some context of Bobby. Bobby's in college right now. He's a sophomore or a junior. He's about to be a junior, and he is the age of 20. All right. He is almost there, but he's not just there yet. The age of drinking in the United States is 21. So at certain bars, they may ask for his ID and see what age he is. So this is the perfect thing to use for that scenario. Let's check if he is less than 21. So let's print out that logic. So we're going to take the age of Bobby, which is holding the value of his age, and that is 20, and we're going to check if he is less than the age of drinking in the United States, which is 21. Now we do know that his age is 20, and we are checking if he is less than 21. So what do you guys expect the value to be? Now, if we return this right now, we should know that it's going to return true because his age is 20, and we do know that 20 is less than 21, so it should return true. So let me just put a comment right here that says less than operator because we use this to check if a value is less than another value. Or actually, let's extract this. We know we're going to use 21, so let's make another variable called age of drinking in US. We're gonna make that an int as well. Voice break. An int as well, and we're gonna make that equal to 21. So that we don't have to keep writing 21 all the time. We can just paste that in. Age of drinking. And then let's do the greater than operator. This would check if a value is greater than the age of drinking in the US. So let's print that out as well. We'll check if the age of Bobby is greater than the age of drinking in the United States. And we do that using this greater than sign. That, most people probably, are shown in, basic math classes at a young age. And then we're going to print out the age of drinking in the US, which is equal to 21. And you guys can change that to 18. I know some places is 18. Some places might even be 16. We're going to run that, and we should also see false. So true or false, that is a Boolean expression. There's only two values that you should expect it to return. So we know that his age is less than 21, and we know that his age is not greater than 21. So then let's check if it's equal to. So let's put equal to, and that's one of the equality operators. All right, so we'll just print ln and age of Bobby. And you guys know that with one equal, it means to assign, a value to age of Bobby. We don't want that. We want to compare, so we use two equals to actually compare a value to another value. So we're going to compare age of Bobby to the, actually we'll just paste that in, age of drinking in the US, which is 21. So is 20 equal to 21? Let's see that. That is false. So this is powerful. If you guys want to create a range of, numbers to check. So like this is pretty much going from, we can count negatives, or we're not. We're going to do 0 to up to the age of drinking in the US, which is 21. If you want to see that range, if it actually is less than, then, it will do that. If you want to see from pretty much 21 to infinity, that's pretty much what greater than is doing. And then if you want just one set value to check to compare, then, we do the equal signs. But then we also have, a mixture of both, which is the less than or equal to value, which is just println. We're gonna take age of Bobby, and we're gonna check if it's less than, which we take the less than from above, and then we put it equal to, not two equals, but just one, and then you take the age of drinking in the US to check if it is less than, all right, or if it's equal to the age of drinking in the US. So this would not just have a specific range, but it will also include the equal to check if it is 21 or less than 21. So let's run that. What do we got? What do you guys expect to see? It's true, because it is less than. It is less than the age of drinking in the US, which is 21. Although it's not equal to, it is less than. So it's still technically true. So now let's check if it's greater than or equal to the age of drinking in the US. So we just take the age of Bobby, check if it's greater than or equal to the age of drinking in the US. We know that the age of Bobby is not greater than the age of drinking in the US, and we know that it's not equal to as well, so we should expect it to return false. All right, that's perfect. Now, one more thing that I want to go over is the not equal to. This will check for sure that a value is not equal to a value, another value. So in this case, we know that the age of Bobby, or let's put that out, not equal to. Let's put println. We know that the age of Bobby is not equal to the age of drinking in the US. So since it's not equal to the age of drinking in the US, we should expect it to return true. It's pretty much the opposite of equal to. If we know that it's gonna compare, if it's equal to age of drinking in the US, we know that this is gonna return false. So if we just put the negation of that, we know it's just gonna return the opposite of that, which is true, because age of Bobby is not equal to the age of drinking in the US. So these are some of the comparative operators and equality operators that you can use to add some logic to your code to check a certain range or a specific value to see if it's actually equal to or within a range of a value. And you're not limited to just using a direct value. You could just put the value into a variable and you can keep adjusting this and it will return, right now if you guys see it says true, false, false, true, false, true, and I'm pretty sure if I run this it's just gonna change a whole bunch. So yeah, it changed. So if you guys want to add some logic to your application, comparison and equality operators will be necessary.